Good day everyone. This time we are going to determine the focus, directrix, length of latus rectum and its endpoints given the equation of the parabola. Determine the focus, directrix, length of latus rectum and its endpoints given y squared is equal to 16x as the equation of the parabola. So let's discuss first the opening of the parabola. If the equation is x squared is equal to 4py, it means it opens upward or the parabola opens upward. However, if it is x squared is equal to negative 4py, it means the opening is downward. And if it is y squared is equal to 4px, it means the opening is to the right. And if it is y squared is equal to negative 4px, the opening is to the left. Okay, so that will be the basis. If it is negative, we are going to opens to the left or downward. Okay, so let's have the equation y squared is equal to 16x as we have in the given. Now, let's first determine the opening of the parabola since it will be serve as a guide to identify the other parts. So we have, since it is positive and y squared, it means it opens to the right. The opening of the parabola is to the right. And then, to identify the focus, we're going to use or to follow the formula that will be given if the parabola opens to the right. So we have P and 0. For the focus, we have quantity of P and 0. And also for the directrix, it's just the inverse of P. So that is why we have X is equal to negative P. And then the next one will be the length of the latus rectum. Okay, so the length of the latus rectum has the formula of absolute value of 4p. Absolute value of 4p. And then if we're already identify or determine the value of p, we can easily identify also the end of latus rectum. And also the end points of the latus rectum. So we have two. We have quantity of p, positive and negative 2p. So we have p and positive and negative 2p. So let's first solve the equation. We have y squared is equal to 16x. And let's determine first the value of p. So by substitution, we have, let's equate 4p is equal to 16. What happened to x? Why is it it's not there? So it means we cancel out x. So by dividing both sides by x. So we have 4px is equal to 16x divided by x. Cancel out. Cancel out. So that will become 4p is equal to 16. And this time, we can easily determine the value of p by dividing both sides by 4. And p is equal to 4. Since we have the value of p and we can easily identify the focus, directrix, and the other parts. Focus we have, since p is equal to 4, we're going to write 4 and 0. Next one is the directrix. The directrix is we have x is equal to negative p. And then, if we're going to substitute p or negative p, so it will become x is equal to negative 4. And later on, you will know if we're going in the graph. And next step is we are going to determine also the length of the latus rectum. Given the formula that we have, that is absolute value of 4p, just simply substitute or change the value of the given p, so which is 4, so that is 4 times 4 is 16. So it will be the distance from the endpoints of the latus rectum. And the last one is we're going to determine the endpoints of the latus rectum given we have p and positive 2p and also we have p and negative 2p. Okay, so let's determine p is 4 and positive 2p, that is 4 times 2, that is 8. So the first one is 4 and 8, and 4 and negative 2 times 4, that is negative 8. So the given or the endpoints are 4 and 8 and 4 and negative 8. Those are the endpoints of the latus rectum. And then we can illustrate the informations that we have using graph. Now we are going to determine using, or we are going to illustrate using this graph. So we have first, let's first identify or determine the focus. Okay, so the focus is along x-axis and it is 4 and 0. So let's first 4 and 0. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right, that will be the focus of the parabola. And then the directrix is the inverse of 4, 0, that is negative 4 and 0. And then you create a line, broken line, that is labeled x is equal to negative 4 since it is a line. And then let's determine first. Next is we need to determine the latus rectum. So we have 4 and 8. 4 and 8. The first endpoint of the latus rectum, that is 4 and 8. And the next one will be 4 and negative 8. And we already know that the equation has a vertex at the origin which has the point of 0, 0, or the point is 0, 0. So we can create line, curved line from the vertex to the endpoints of the parabola. And that will be the end of the lesson determining the focus, directrix, latus, and the latus rectum of the parabola. Thank you for watching.